Let's sing our ABCs. A says ah, like apple on a tree. B says buh, like bouncing bumblebees. Buzz. D says cuh, like clouds up in the breeze. D says duh, like dancing happy dogs. E says eh, like buzzing on the logs. F says fuh, like frogs in marshy bogs. G says guh, like giggling with our friends. H says huh, like happy hippos. I says like igloos made of snow. J says juh, like jumping jelly beans. K says cuh, like kicking kangaroos. L says la, like lovely lions roar. M says muh, like munching yummy mangoes. N says nah, like nighttime sleepy naps. O says ah, for an octopus so round. P says puh, for penguins on the snow. Q says quah, for a quiet gentle flow. R says ruh, like a rabbit with a twitchy nose. S says suh, like the sunny way it glows. T says tuh, for a tiger, listen to it roar. U says for an umbrella, what are letters for? V says vuh, like a vibrant violet flower. W's wuh, like waves with gentle power. X says case, like in box or when you xylophone for hours. Y says yeah, like a yummy yellow banana. Z says zuh, like a zillion stripes on a zebra.